Welcome back. Now, technically not a webhook, the RSS function in Zapier has a similar feature. And we'll type in RSS by Zapier and click the link. And you're going to notice a number of applications that are going to be available through this special integration from Zapier. And you'll notice in the app details that the RSS by Zapier has 2 triggers and 1 action. So on the one hand, we can post new emails on Gmail to an RSS feed that we can have access to, or going in the other direction, we can be alerted by email of new RSS feed items. We're going to look at this Zap. And the idea is that we would be alerted of RSS feed updates quickly by email. What we're going to do is click this Zap, and the trigger is going to be that there's a new item in the feed. So the first thing we're going to need is we're going to need a feed URL. And typically, if you have a WordPress site, you're going to use your site address / and then the word feed. And once you have it, you'll then click continue. Once we do our double check of the available items, we'll then click fetch and continue. Zapier will verify our test. We'll then click continue. And now we'll set up the Gmail action. We'll then test our Gmail. And then we'll click save and continue. We'll then determine where the email is then to be sent. We'll then write in our subject. And then we'll need verbiage for the body. Once we have all the information that we need, we'll then click save and continue. We'll then send the test email to Gmail. And once we've done that, we'll then click finish. Then our Zap is turned on, and every time there's a new item added to our feed, in this particular case it's our WordPress blog, we will be sent an email through Gmail. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.